Welcome to the Power Kit installation tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to install the Power Kit. What is a Power Kit and why do you need it? A Power Kit is a white cube box that comes along with the bell. It ensures the bell gets enough power to operate and your wired indoor chime will ring when someone presses your bell. You'll need to install the Power Kit before installing Belle. How to install it? Now, let's walk you through the installation process step by step. Step 1. Shut off your power at breaker. Step 2. Remove the cover of your wired indoor chime. Step 3. Connect the wire harness to Power Kit. Step 4. Look for terminals labeled front and trans and then loosen the screws. Step 5. Connect the end of the wire harness to front and trans terminals of the indoor chime. The order of the wires does not matter. Step 6. Use the double-sided tape to adhere the Power Kit to the side of the indoor chime. Step 7. Replace the cover of your indoor chime. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us through in-app live chat or email us at support@netvue.com.